Welcome, in front of me is REALME P3 Lite, and in this video I will show you how to boost your mobile network strength on this phone. Start by toggling the airplane mode on your device. To do that, swipe down the control center and turn on the airplane mode for a couple of seconds, then turn it off and see if your signal improved. To additionally improve your signal, you should move to an area with better coverage. Also, try enabling Wi-Fi calling. To do that, go to settings, go to mobile network, go to your SIM card, and then go to Wi-Fi calls and switch this toggle to the right, and then see if it improved your mobile network signal. If none of these steps helped you, you can go back to settings, then go to system and update, reset phone, and then select reset network and Bluetooth settings, confirm. Once you do that, you're gonna have to repair with all the Bluetooth devices that you were paired with, and also reconnect to the Wi-Fi networks by entering the password once again to them. And now check how it affected your Wi-Fi your mobile network signal. And if none of these steps worked for you, then the last option is reaching out to your carrier, mobile data carrier, to check for any outages. And they should definitely help you out with your problem. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.